Alright, so welcome to How to Dyno. In this video, I'm going to be creating a refresher for the DM custom command. Now, I do want to point out that the logic for this command is basically the same, but there was a few comments on the older video asking for a refresher. So this is that. So to get started, head over to dyno.gg. We'll click on the Manage Service button, select the server you'd like to manage. Then we'll go ahead and click on this little drop down next to modules and select custom commands. Ensure the module is enabled, and then we'll hit add custom command. For the name, we'll set the name to DM. Of course, you can name this whatever you like, but for this video, we're going to be naming it DM. For the description, you can set this to whatever you like as well. We'll be leaving it blank. For the command, this is the exact same logic used in the older video, but this logic is still true. To explain what's going on here, we're basically telling Dyno that the first argument we'll supply will be the person we're mentioning. Ensure this first variable or this first argument is a mention, or you can use an ID. And then this $2+ is essentially saying everything from the second argument on will be used as a message for the DM. So that's pretty much for the command. You can enable some of these options here below, such as delete. If you want Dyno to delete the command once you've ran it, we can enable that. And then because we are requiring at least 2 arguments here, I can come to the advanced options and select required arguments to 2. This is essentially telling Dyno that we need at least 2 arguments before this command can be ran. Without the 2, Dyno will just not do anything. So we'll go ahead and hit add command. And now we'll go over to Discord to see the command in action. Alright, so here we are in Discord. To run the command, simply enter your prefix and then DM. If you change the name to something else, you'd enter a different name. And then because we are requiring 2 arguments, I'm going to go ahead and mention myself. Again, you can use your mention or you can use the ID for the user. And then we'll follow that by a message here. And then we'll hit enter. Because we told Dyno to delete the command after it's been ran, it deleted that. And as you can see, we did get a new message from Dyno. And here is our message test. Dyno is also indicating what server this was sent from. So my How to Dyno server, and also gives you another message here saying what server it was sent to. So if we go back, let's see what happens when we don't include the correct number of arguments. So if we just do DM, as you can see, it doesn't do anything because Dyno requires at least 2. So if we do DM and then only mention a user, again, Dyno will not do anything because it requires 2 arguments. So it's only after we do 2 arguments, Dyno will actually go ahead and run the command. So that is pretty much it for this video. Again, it's pretty short. The logic is exactly the same. For those of you that had an issue with Dyno saying unable to find user to mention when actually mentioning the user, that is something I experienced as well. I pointed out to the devs and it looks like they've resolved that issue. So if you're still having issues, feel free to contact the support server, but from my testing, that issue has been resolved. So that's pretty much it. Feel free to leave a comment if you'd like me to create a certain custom command that you're looking for, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.